across the foam. It's okay. Safely secured off to the side of the ride. How the back compares as we swoop down into the canyon with the Punkrocker of San Antonio. Whoa! Whoa! You got some egg time in the loop. Here come the bugs. Gotta keep that mouth shut. Whoa! Whoa! Mouth shut! Those corkscrews, they're a good pair of corkscrews, especially in the back row. I like the way that this ride just goes straight into them. It kind of reminds me of Dominator. It's definitely one of the better of the interlocking corkscrews that I've experienced because it just comes into it so quick. But I definitely would say I think Superman Krypton Coaster is a back row ride with all that in mind.